Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to set your website type as an RSS feed on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest updates. This feature allows you to streamline content sharing directly from your website to your LinkedIn profile, making it easier to keep your connections informed. Step 1. Open LinkedIn Start by launching your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Account Preferences. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, find and click on Account Preferences. Step 4. Update Profile Information. Under the Profile Information section, locate and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can update key details about your profile. Step 5. Edit Contact Information. Now, scroll down to the Contact Info section. Here, you'll see an option to edit contact info. Click on this to proceed. Step 6. Choose your website. Type within the Contact Info settings, look for the field that allows you to add a website. Here, you can find an option labeled Website Type. Select RSS Feed from the drop-down menu. This is crucial as it tells LinkedIn how to categorize the website you're adding. Step 7. Save your changes. After selecting RSS Feed as your website type, ensure that you enter the URL of the website you want to link. Once you've done that, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This action finalizes your changes and updates your LinkedIn profile accordingly. By following these simple steps, you can effectively integrate an RSS feed into your LinkedIn profile. This not only enhances your profile, but also keeps your audience engaged with fresh content directly from your website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.